Hi students, today we will discuss about exact differential equation of first order and first degree. Exact differential equations. Exact differential equation. An equation or an differential equation is said to be exact differential equation if it can be derived from its primitive or its general solution. Its general solution directly by differentiation without any subsequent multiplication, elimination, etc. That means your given equation is, if it is directly integration or directly we got some answer, then we can say those type of equations are called a exact differential equation. If given equation is m dx plus n dy equal to 0, here we can observe carefully m and n are two functions of x and y. Here m and n both are x and y functions. If here what is the coefficient of dx is m and coefficient of dy is also n here. If coefficient of dx partial derivative with respect to y and coefficient of dy partial derivative with respect to x, if both are same or both are equal, then we can say given equation is exact differential equation. This is the formula or theorem, that is dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x. That means here m is the coefficient of dx, n is the coefficient of dy. Partial derivative with respect to y and partial derivative with respect of respectively, if both are same or both are equal, then we can say given equation is called a exact differential equation. Is it understood? Shall I explain once again? Given equation is in the form of m dx plus n dy equal to 0. Here coefficient of dx is m, coefficient of dy is n. Here both are functions of x, y. Here partial derivative with respect to y with m and partial derivative with respect to y with n. If both are equal, then we can say this equation is called an exact differential equation. If given equation is m dx plus n dy equal to 0 is exact, that is we can write dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x. Then its general solution is integration of m dx, here y constant. This is the formula of general solution of the exact differential equation. Integration of m dx, y constant, plus integration of n dy. Terms not having x equal to c. This is the formula of the general solution of exact differential equation. Integration of m dx, y constant, plus integration of n dy, terms not having x equal to c. This is the general solution of the given exact differential equation. For example, we can take one problem here. Solve dy by dx plus ax plus hy plus g divided by hx plus by plus f equal to 0. Now solution. Given that dy by dx plus ax plus hy plus g divided by hx plus by plus f equal to 0. Now dy by dx equal to minus ax plus hy plus g divided by hx plus by plus f. Now cross multiplication. Dy of hx plus by plus f equal to minus ax plus hy plus g into dx. Now we can write this minus term total bring from RHS to LHS, then it will become plus. That means ax plus hy plus g into dx plus hx plus by plus f into dy equal to 0. Now compare this equation. We can take, this is the equation number 1. Now compare with m dx plus n dy equal to 0. Here m equal to coefficient of dx. Here in the given in the question, coefficient of dx is equal to m equal to, here we can write ax plus hy plus g, and n equal to hx plus by plus f. Now find in dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x. Let dou m by dou y. Dou m by dou y means here m is partial derivative with respect to y. Partial derivative with respect to y means remaining all variables are treated as a constant. Here x is also constant. Derivative of ax is equal to 0. Derivative of hy is equal to h. Derivative of g is constant is equal to 0. That is equal to h. And dou n by dou x. Here n is equal to, we have hx plus by plus f. Here dou n by dou x means partial derivative with respect to x. That means y terms and y terms treated as a constant. Derivative of hx is equal to h plus derivative of constant is equal to 0. Again derivative of constant is equal to 0. That is equal to h. Here both are same. Therefore we can write dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x. Therefore equation 1 is exact differential equation. Exact differential equation. Now solution of this equation is, what is the formula we have? Integration m dx, here y constant, plus integration n dy, terms not having x equal to c. This is the formula of the solution of exact differential equation. Now integration, what is the m value here? We can take m is equal to ax plus hy plus g, ax plus hy plus g into dx, here y constant, plus terms not having n. What is the n here? First of all, we can write total n value, hx plus by plus f, hx plus by plus f into dy equal to 0. Here terms not having x, that means here no. Y constant means, what is the integration of ax? A is constant, we can write outside. Integration of x means we can write x square by 2, plus y is constant and h is constant means integration of hy is equal to, we can write hyx. Integration of constant again g into x, plus integration of terms not having means here the hx having a x, that's why we can remove this term, and remaining value is by plus f into dy equal to, sorry, here this is the c, here also we can write c. That implies ax square by 2 plus hxy plus gx plus integration of by means integration of b is constant, by integration of y means y square by 2 plus integration of y fi equal to c. Now 2 is the LCM, ax square plus 2hxy plus 2gx plus 2fy plus by square equal to 2c. This is the solution of the given exact differential equation. Thank you.